friends, we are here today at Epcot. I'm very excited for Food and Wine Festival. I actually don't know if, I have been to Food and Wine Festival one other time. I can link those videos down below. I am just so happy to be back at Epcot. Love Epcot. We got all the monorail gear on today, and of course we get to see the new entrance, new paint job, new logos. We're gonna maybe try some foods, of course ride all of the rides, and just enjoy the sights and sounds of Epcot. Up here at the front, they have a bunch of really cute food and wine photo opportunities, and then once again you get to see that brand new fountain. It is crazy in person. I absolutely love it. First stop, we made our way into the Land Pavilion. You're getting a return time for the Disability Pass for Soarin', and if you'd like more information about that, I'm gonna link my Animal Kingdom video down below if you guys would like to hear more about the Disability Pass. But you basically just come to the Fast Pass line, ask for a return time, and then we will, for example here, come back 40 minutes later to go through the Fast Pass line. That way we're not actually waiting in the line, but we're kind of waiting in a virtual line. You can only do one at a time. So we're getting our return time now, and then we're heading back for our lunch reservation at Rose and Crown. It looks like here during the day they've turned on one of the Harmonious barges. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's just water falling down from the center. That actually looks pretty neat. So my group is going to be eating inside the Rose and Crown. With the allergy and stuff, there's really nothing of interest to me to have there. So I'm heading back up towards the front. They're getting in line for the reservation, and I'm going to head up to the refreshment port, just get the Disney chicken. You guys know I love the Disney chicken, so I'm going to have that for lunch. Probably get hot dog, pretzel, snacky things later. While they're sitting to eat, I'm going to look at the menu. I kind of have some ideas of some things I want to get, but I will be back for Food and Wine Festival, so stay tuned. 50th anniversary will be here, doing it all hopefully, and being in the crowds for sure.
When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat. Store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties.
We're in Soarin'.
Works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast.
Check out this shirt right outside of Figment. This is awesome. It's $36.99. I'm kind of considering getting it because that's so cool looking. They also have this one little Spark shirt. This one is $36.99 also. They also have the Figment ears. I've been thinking about them, but I'm not sure what to do yet. I'm gonna think about it a little more. I might just wait. I think the quality is a little bit different on them. Well, I'll see. We were looking for the little Figment shoulder buddy, but I don't see it at this location.
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him on the way. Let's go explore, explore, explore.
Just rode Figment and the Seas with Nemo and Friends. We're now heading up here to Spaceship Earth. And if you look really closely, here as we kind of go underneath it, you'll see little dots in between all the little triangles. And those are the special lights that they're going to have on for the 50th and beyond. I cannot wait to see that. It's going to look amazing. Stopping into a Mouse Gear, it looks like they have a lot of food and wine merchandise. Whoa. Check out this metal pass holder magnet. That's so fun. $10. That's actually pretty good. for Disney magnets. Coasters. This is like a vase or jar of some kind. $30. Wow. Really fun print this year. Lots of the turbis. I really like the ornament. I think that's so cool. The cutting board. Our time is ready for test track. My first time building a car in a long time.
Deactivated.
Welcome to the sim track.
Energizing for power test. Displaying power test results. Sim track performance testing complete.
Met up with some friends before road test track, and now we are back here in Norway about to start the countries, and we are getting our return time for Frozen first. We're gonna head back over to Mexico, ride that, grab a snack, and then it will be our time for Frozen, finish off at the countries, and then watch Epcot Forever.
To guide us. Come on, let's go and play. Elsa wants to give us
Stopped off at the refreshment outpost and got an icy and hot dog. Next stop in the Germany Pavilion, I just wanted to point out these little flags. You see them on the little light posts right there? Those are the food and wine flags that they have right here in the park. Right there on all the little light posts around the park. That is so amazing. Those little details mean so much. This big sign right here, the orange little ends, you can see it perfectly. Right in the center of the screen. That is hilarious. Oh my gosh, I love it. Admiring the views here of the lagoon. Beautiful view of Spaceship right there, and the harmonious barges. Very excited to see Epcot Forever again. Last time I was here, I thought it was going to be the last time I ever saw it, but then they brought it back here for this limited time, so it'll be fun to see it again.
Remember, tonight's performance of Epcot Forever is at 9 o'clock this evening.
Of inspiration
We call it Epcot.
is at the heart of a creation.
EPCOT.
Right at the start of everything that's new.
Experimental, prototype, community of tomorrow.
One little spark.
That is going to do it here from our day at Epcot. Enjoyed Epcot Forever. Hope you all enjoyed it as well. Stay tuned. We got hotel videos, Disney Springs, Magic Kingdom, and studios still to go. It was a great day. Remember to do what you love and do what makes you happy, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!